Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 5th, 2021. We are going to give you all a price prediction for Zomedica stock. You guys can see the last time we did our price prediction in Zoom was on May the 6th, 2021. We were playing the weakness into the market on this particular stock. We got some things to talk about in regards to where we're seeing the market going so that we both can get in position and win and dominate the space. And we're going to show it to you all the unconfusing way. I mean, there's umpteen particular types of charts out there. Anyone can generally come up with any technical analysis they want to and try to convince you that this is the way that the market's going to go, and they have no idea. You know, we're going to show you all what our expectations are without being confused. We're going to look at another article in terms of trying to see if Zomedica is going to be part of the short squeeze 2.0 outside of GameStop AMC. Do you think Zomedica will also participate? We're going to see that as well. And if not, we're going to tell you. If so, we'll tell you that as well. We're not here to convince you in any shape, way, or form. For us, our perspective is only on the price. Price is always the truth. Okay? Don't listen to what someone else tells you. Don't listen to any other pundits on mainstream media. Don't even listen to too much into articles. The price is the truth. What you see on the price chart is what the price was meant to be. And if you're able to predict that, you're able to get in position and win in the market. It's just that simple. And it also alleviates you from being confused. You know, if you really follow someone and they have one staunch stance on a particular situation and you believe what they're saying, but in actuality, in the background, they're doing something totally different. That's why you can't believe everything you hear or see within media, whether it's social media or even mainstream media. What you need to focus in on is on the price. That's it. Okay. So if you want to join us, hit that like button, share, subscribe here to the channel, tap that bell notification as well so you do not miss out on our price predictions. So first, let's look at this article. Okay, this article was posted on marketrealist.com. You guys can see the rally in Zomedica stock to continue amid the short squeeze 2.0, meaning a lot of meme stocks are currently seeing increase in value and price, namely AMC and BlackBerry. They're trying to see or attach Zomedica in the same basket as those stocks there, right? So you can see I went through, highlighted some things in this article that I want to talk on. I will have the link of this article in the description of this video, just if you want to continue to read it and to go a little bit further in depth as to what this article goes into. Now, Zomedica was once very popular on Reddit, right? In the Reddit group, the Wall Street Bets. Now, it's not a top discussion anymore. Reddit traders were successfully in triggering a big rally in AMC stock, right? This is that 2.0 short squeeze. However, the rally has fizzled away partially because of the AMC stock sale. Is a short squeeze happening in Zoom stock? Zoom stock has gained 22, almost 23% over the last 10 days, which has left many investors wondering whether a short squeeze 2.0 is happening in the stock. Really? That's a very broad statement stating investors. I don't know specifically who he or she is talking about, but they're wondering. Now, according to the data from Fintel, there's been over 50 million shares of Zoom stock that were sold short on June the 3rd, 50 million, which was 35% of the trading volume on June the 3rd. Okay, so people are shorting this particular stock apparently in that sentence. Zomedica went overboard with the stock issuance, and as a result, it had cash and cash equivalents of around $276 million as of March 31st, 2021. The stock issuance was done at a higher price than what Zoom currently trades at. So they diluted their shares. They created more shares into the market to bring in more cash to the business. This is what this sentence is going into. So from a financing perspective, Zomedica has managed to de-risk its balance sheet by raising plenty of cash. So they got cash on their books now to operate the business. However, it has resulted in massive dilution, meaning that the value of the stock price in Zomedica before they issued the additional shares were worth more than what they are now. It's pretty much what that sentence is going into, right? Those shares has lost value because you created more into the market. Oversupply decreases the value of what's there. Okay. Now, May the 10th, they had over 974 million shares outstanding. Okay. So real quick, take a look at this. Zomedica stock price prediction. So this article is going to give us a price prediction. Only H.C. Wainwright has provided a forecast for Zomedica stock. An analyst, I'm not even going to pronounce that name, has a buy rating with a $1.20 price target on it. Interestingly, H.C. Wainwright participated in the bought out stock offering for Zomedica in the first quarter 2021. So H.C. Wainwright actually participated in the issuance of those newly issued shares in Zomedica stock. The shares were sold to the market at $1.90 per share, which is almost twice the current stock price. You guys can see Zomedica is trading at 90 cents. So when H.C. Wainwright issued those additional shares, they sold them at $1.90. So whoever bought those newly issued shares in Zomedica bought them at $1.90 are now seeing their value decrease by $1. Right? So you guys can see here that he goes into a little technical indicators, the EMA, 50-day, simple moving average, as well as 200-day. We don't follow none of that. But the question is, where in the world is the price in Zomedica going to go? They got a price target. H.C. Wainwright has a price target of about $1.20. That will give us, let's see, $1.20 from closing at 90 cents on Friday will give us around 33% profitability to see the market go that high. Okay, so let's see if the market has the ability to do it. But first, take a look at this. Our last price prediction was on May the 6th. We played a weakness into the market in Zomedica. Excellent job. You guys can clearly tell that is precisely where the price went. So 14.9% profitability in our prediction right there. We saw the market hitting that there already. Okay, so excellent call. Now, I want to show you all one thing that is really important that happened over the last 2 days in Zomedica stock. The first thing, take a look at what the market has been doing, right? We've created the overall trend to the market in Zomedica, and you can see here that the market for the most part was holding this trend, right? It started all the way back here in 2020, the ending of 2020. That's when Zomedica saw the massive increase in price, came back down in April of 2021, tested that ascending line, bounced from there, moved higher. We broke that ascending line in May of 2021, and guess what happened the last 2 days? Like I told you, price do not lie. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what anyone shows you. Price tells you already what the market is feeling. And take a look at what happened the last 2 days, June the 3rd and June the 4th. Price got rejected on that ascending line. So what does it mean? It means that the market's not ready to go higher yet. Just by those 2 days right there. So on this particular video, we need to make a determination as to where is support going to be. Now, we have a pretty good area of support already established in Zomedica, right there around 80 cents, 85 cents, right? So we can still see this market in Zomedica drop to 85 cents, find more support there, and continue to try to break this overall trend higher. So seeing how the market confirmed the weakness on that rejection of that ascending line, we're going to extend it up higher. We're going to extend it. Okay. So let's take a look at this on a different time frame real quick. So yeah, last 3 days, we saw the market in Zomedica close on the low of that current 3-day price bar. So we need to create support. I like where the market closed at though, because look at this. Where the price closed on last Friday, the market came in, held support back in the beginning of 2021. We need to see that continue. What about on the 2-day time frame? So all of this volume came through on the last 2-day price bar, and the market still closed off of the highs. So yeah, we're still seeing some weakness in this space, but it's not extreme because we've already created a support area back here in 2021 of January. How do we end out on the week? So this price bar right here on the weekly, I want you all to see this. looks almost identical to this one, right? And look at the result of what occurred on the next week. The market in Zomedica still saw weakness. So what we're getting so far into the market overall based off the price is that this market is not overly strong. You know, it doesn't reflect a short squeeze 2.0 yet. Look as if the market wants to give us a little bit of weakness. If anything, we're going to see this market trade above this 80-cent area. 85 cents will have to be our first area of TP though. But yeah, we're going to play the weakness here into the market in Zomedica, right? And we're going to have our restriction area right here around $1.06, $1.05. And our ultimate support area is going to be around 80. Now I would TP out some profits around 85 though, which would give us around 7%, 7.25% right there. But I'm going to bring it down to 80 there. Okay. So yeah, we got some weakness to go through into the market in Zomedica. Now I'm not saying that this is going to be a long-term price prediction because many people try to give you that anyway. And we're not in it for a year, 2 years, 5 years, 20 years type plays. Because if that was the case, there's no need for you to do a price prediction. Just come in and buy where the market is. And in the next 10 years, hopefully you're higher than where you were originally. We're here to grab the bag and walk out the store and move on to the next play. So for right now, we're planning for Zomedica to drop in price, not massive, 85 cents, 80 cents. And then from then on, we will have to come back in and see where price is going to go now. Main reason is because price was rejected on this ascending line. Okay. So we have some weakness to go through initially in the beginning half of next week. So tell me, what do you all see in the price for Zomedica? Call the market, get in position. What do you see? Where is price going to go? Because you need to get there before the market actually takes the price in order for you to win and have the competitive advantage over anyone else. So join us, drop your comment in the comment section and call the market with us. Give us your price prediction and maintain a profit. I'll see you all in the next one.